Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the November 14th issue of the Tucson Mortgage Weekly. I'm Todd Abelson. Thank you very much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Okay, following a normal format. Okay, what's going on? All right, well, first of all, last week, Greece's prime minister resigned. That was interesting. Another satisfied customer. Italian prime minister resigned, all in attempts to move forward on the austerity programs that will keep Europe going strong and recovering. And also what ended up happening last week is Bernanke testified and said that the Feds have a considerable latitude in things that they may do in order to help the economy. One is, the alluding is that they could continue to keep mortgage rates low, but I think they're maybe shifting their focus now to jobs. The problem is that in order to invest in the market that will help jobs, it might actually push interest rates a bit higher. So that's an interesting dichotomy to see what's going on. Okay, what's going on this morning? Well, really not a lot today, mostly a matter of the markets digesting what happened last Friday and Thursday and over the weekend. So realistically, the market's kind of flat this morning. So what's going on this week? Well, let's look forward to a Tuesday. We have the producer price index and retail sales reports coming out. On Wednesday is the consumer price index. Now, any of those reports are obviously measures of inflation. We'll have to see what happens. So what's really under the behind the curtain, as they say? What are we really going to be looking forward to? What are the wild cards out there? Okay, well, first of all, the continued problems in Europe. Second of all, what are the Feds going to do, if anything, as a result of their discussions, Bernanke's announcement last week? But what I've been continuing to push on, and I got to tell you, it's going to explode when it finally hits, is this deficit reduction committee. It's the way I look at it, it's kind of like the NBA talks. I mean, the players want more money, and the owners don't want to give it to them. And we have the Republicans want less taxes, and the Democrats want spending for government programs. And so there's a roadblock here, and there's no appreciable discussion, no advancement, no forward thinking. Everybody is stuck, and the deadline looms like in 10 days. So like I said, before you have your Thanksgiving turkey, this is all going to, as I say, it's all going to explode. And I guarantee what they're going to end up doing is nothing, and they're going to extend the date. But there's automatic triggers built in there, and some ugly things are going to start happening. So all I can tell you is right now, keep your eyes open. Rates are still great, although they're up from their lows, well up from their lows, but still in the low 4s and upper 3s for the 15. So ultimately, rates are great. Check things out. I hope you are getting ready for a great holiday season coming up. I wish you and your family a very healthy season. And don't forget to check out the website, TucsonMortgages.com. I'm Todd Abelson, and make it a great week. Bye-bye.